Hey YouTube, yeah. Hey YouTube, what's up? So, today, Caitlin, I'm going sledding, or going down the hill. So, clearly, I want to see if I can land in the woods, possibly, because the woods are right there, and then there's the highway, and all the back of the places on the highway. Clearly, so some people usually will go sledding, not me. I meant to say some people go sledding, but mainly I do a lot. This hasn't been going steeper part. So currently here you guys go. I'm gonna maybe try a steeper part of this. I know somewhere around here it might be steeper. Looks like my dad's gonna hold the camera, so I can maybe, now I'm gonna do laying down basically. Maybe I'll try for me laying down, so. So I'm gonna go down again. Actually, somewhere around here it's even steeper. I'm gonna go right here. Sorry, I'm turning the camera, setting things up. Alright guys, so here I am. And I guess I'm gonna go down. Alright guys, and completely, yeah. I'm just gonna go a few more times. Getting my boot is the inch. Gotta go down a little. So there you guys go. I wonder what happens if whoa! Bye, guys. Hey, dude, what's up? So I'm just gonna walk around the track. So I'll also talk about the snowstorm. So currently, it's like it's been snowing December and January, but it's like these little snowstorms I obviously hate. And obviously, there's no hills in the woods, so can't even go in the woods. And now that there's gonna be bears in these woods, these woods aren't even a mile long, like those woods that are miles and miles and miles long. These woods are basically like a little bit more than half a mile, I'll say, but there's no way that these woods could be anything over. These are probably 3/4 of a mile, so not even a mile long. These can't be a mile long. Obviously, can't go in there with my sled. They have that little like icy brook. I don't know if my boots will break. No, not boots. It will break. I'm just gonna show you. See, look at how clear these woods are. You can even see the lights of the highway. There's the brook. It's all ice. Oh, so sticks. Obviously, the brook actually gets closer the more you go on the track. I'm just gonna walk around. So I'm gonna talk about it. So currently, finally it snowed, like the first heavy snowstorm of this like winter. So you see that? That's right there is the icy brook. I know where there's an even way or even closer to the track. It's down there. You know, once I spotted a shopping cart in there, it's still there. Because it's part of one of the shops on the highway. They have shops that you can basically enter the woods in. They have a bunch of shops. They even have logs that will cross the little brook. I mean, not logs, it's like a scroll could go on like these. It's somewhere right around here. I can't see it. It's dark, it's gonna be even worse to see. When I first saw it, I almost thought a homeless person lived there. So yeah, guys. Obviously the brook like ends somewhere just around here. And this is where you could even see the back of some homes. This is where you can see the back of some homes over there. And that's when the brook like goes a bit further. And that's where the woods basically will stop. So, yeah. I could really see you can even see cars. Thought I even heard a horn just now. But yeah, guys, it's a pretty long video. Bye. Not pretty long, just 5 minutes.